I can't believe I'm in Costa Rica with monkeys. Shut up, Mom. Rory, behind you.
Yeah, you got one coming at you.
Hi, buddy. Whoa. Hi. Well, hi. Oh, hi, buddy.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, buddy.
look how cute that is.
Come on, Jacob.
Look, it's like smashing it against it. Wait, that's what it does. It smashes it against it. Yeah, to mush it. Okay, let's go. Nobody touched the face. That's why I saw it like in.
Oh crap.
Hello, monkey. Hello, monkey. Oh, wow.
They're gonna look awesome.
Hello, monkey.
Hi.
Hello, monkey.
Take my hand.
Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh,
Well, he took the banana, but not my hand. Okay, I see how it
yeah, he
is.
wants food. You gotta give him food, Jacob.
What food is there?
Oh, there's a banana right there, but that's fine now. You wanna see?
Please.
You see the other one? They eat it, people eat watermelon, some pineapple, banana. We recommend don't eat too much.
Yeah.
They eat them. So they know they are very, more than human. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, he's close. They'll jump on you.
Ocean boy, ocean boy. Oh god.
Is that scary?
Well, yeah, I thought he was gonna like kill me.
Hi, baby.
Look how cute he is.
Creole, you're gonna have a base chocolate, like a milk chocolate, soft but a strong taste, no bitter, just chocolate taste.
That's what I would do.
That's what I
Yeah.
love also.
Yeah.
But guys, look, let me show you a cocoa pot. Can you see it right there?
Oh yeah.
That's
yeah.
a Creole cocoa pot, my friends.
Wow.
But you know what is more nicer here? That you can see all the cocoa growing here. That plant has been pollinized. And it's wonderful to say that because the pollination of that plant is not like coffee, they self-pollinize. The pollination of that plant depends on 80% of a small insect named Forsythia. That is the one that fit in the small flower because look, the flower for the cocoa looks that big. Look guys, oh I love to show that, look guys. That's a flower of cocoa. Cocoa flower, look.
That little.
That little one, that tiny, is a flower. And then Forsythia is the only tiny mosquito that fit well in that flower. And he's the one that understands the complex system inside that flower to pick the pollen, eat what he wants to eat, and later go out and go inside another flower and pollinize. But mostly, the scientists said that a plant is going to be pollinized only the 20%, not even a 50% of the whole plant, just 20%. Just imagine how huge that labor is. You know why? The Forsyponia only lives 10 days in its adult life. After 10 days, it dies.
Wow.
Then we see citrus all around to attract it because it attracts the Forsyponia. But it's a huge labor because only that small mosquito is the one that mostly pollinizes it. The scientists said that there are small ants that helps to pollinize. But for me, it's the Forsyponia what helps much more. Then, my friends, cocoa, 3 types in Costa Rica. One plant grows 5 meters high. We let it grow, the tree, 5 meters. And it will produce from 30 up to 50 pods annually, like that one that you just seen. And also, each pod will contain from 30 up to 50 beans.
Oh wow.
How we can eat the cocoa? Okay, easy. If you just want to eat the pod, just break the pod and take the beans. There are black beans covered for a white sort of meat, which his name is mucilago. Tastes sour, but tastes delicious. In the process for start chocolate, we're gonna open the pot, we're gonna take the beans, we're gonna ferment the beans, we're gonna keep them for a while. There are 3 different stages on fermentation. Later they dehydrate. We dehydrate the beans under the sun. There are special equipment, but we are 100% organic. Then we work as our ancestors done. We dehydrate it. Later we roast it, we peel it, grind it, and we make chocolate. We're gonna do that soon. You're gonna prepare it in that way. You're gonna roast it, you're gonna peel it, we're gonna grind it, we're gonna dance bate bate chocolate. We're gonna have a wonderful time, family. Then, my friends, if you have any question about cocoa or coffee, let me know.
How big do those cocoa beans get?
The plant or the pot?
The pod.
Oh, depending. For example, that Creole can be maybe that big. Depending the type of cocoa is the fruit. That one is more rounded. That one has that shape as this. Bigger, can be bigger, but that shape.
Oh wow, I don't even see that one.
Oh, you have to see that.
I only saw the little baby ones.
Oh, look at that one. It's a big one.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw that one.
Okay.
The big one.
The thing is, that one grows and will contain 30 to 50. If you have Trinity cocoa, the vein is longer and it's like a purple. And the foreigner looks, the color is very similar than the Creole, but the vein is longer, but also has like a rounded shape. The 3 fruits are different, but there are different subspecies of cocoa. Then we are talking about the bases of, but there are some Creole, there is a foreigner, we name it Forastero Criollado, which is like a foreigner with a combination of Creole, but this is a subspecies. I have many friends that they produce cocoa too, and they make that kind of combinations. My friends, now gonna rain again. I'm gonna invite you to talk about the sugar cane. Okay, let's take this crank. Come this way, you, my friend. You wanna change position soon, okay? You're gonna crank it in that position, that direction, sorry. And you wanna hold it, and don't let it go to the side, sorry. Otherwise it can get stuck. Then you wanna run it, and look what happened. Look what happened, guys. Look at this. Sugar, cane, juice, coming out of that delicious machine. Well, not that delicious.
Oh, it's spraying up at you.
That is so cool.
Yeah, look, my friends. Did you imagine you're gonna get that juice from that stick? No, right? It's like a piece of bamboo. You're walking, my friend. When your hands get that side, then you turn this way and you hold it. Very good, my friend, huh? Just in case we have positions open, huh?
I'm only 2,000 miles away.
Well, you know, guys, well, we have a truck here. You don't need to drive or fly. My friends, that part of the caña that now we have
crazy,
looks like
that was-
a waste.
Yeah.
Its name is bagazo.
That's
And
all that
also,
was in there. Wow.
Now, we're going to change position. Look, my friend.
Yeah.
You come this way, hold it here, and you're going to crank it. Clockwise. Clockwise.
Other way.
Clockwise, right. Perfect. There we go. Don't worry about the wasp. Ma, eso es ahí por el filtro.
Pero no la
Dang, we're getting that all out.
Pure.
sí.
Now you release it and take it at the other side. Yeah, excellent, guys, huh? What a good team you are, my friends, huh?
Come on.
Look, honey is what Jose says. It's from honey. Pure honey.
Did it.
Okay, guys, now the good thing is that later you can try the production.
Struggling, Rory.
Look what a delicious juice drop for that. Treatments prepared, please.
Ya están
Higher.
This is unpaid
Okay,
labor.
release it
I'm just
here.
kidding.
It comes this way.
Un buen tostado de cacao.
There are 3 steps to roast cocoa and to notice when it's well done.
Número 1,
Number 1,
aroma.
aroma or smell.
Número 2,
Number 2,
de color.
color.
Número 3,
Number 3,
sonido.
sound. You know why? Pop like a corn. Then don't get scary. That sounds like a.
Oh, I see one popped right here.
Yeah,
It smells so good.
And it smells good
Yeah.
because, as I said, one of the steps is the smell. Can you feel that?
Yeah, it smells great.
The first step will be to break the pot,
Right.
take the beans out, and then ferment the beans. As I said, there are 3 different stages in the fermentation. Right, Jose?
Sí.
3 different stages.
Fase azucarada,
There is the sugar phase,
fase alcohólica
alcoholic step, step or stage,
y fase ácida.
and the sour step or sour phase. This is the last. Later we dehydrate it, and then we roast it as you're doing now. And guess what the next step? We're gonna
Put it into a mold.
We're gonna peel it, grind it, and prepare chocolate, my friends. Today I'm gonna teach you a skill that's gonna be useful at home. And also I'm gonna give you the secret to make the spirit of the chocolate arise. That tastes the best. That's why he's Jose Wonka.
Ajá.
Jose Wonka.
He really likes Willy Wonka.
I do.
Ajá.
Yeah. Me too, you know, I really like that movie.
Ahí va sonando. Oh,
Okay, there it goes. Like, guys, look, it's popping like a corn. Then it means that we're heading on the spot that we want it. Then we want to roast it. La historia de cacao.
I'll take one.
Yeah, my friends, taste that. It's a caramelized cocoa bean. I promise that it's better than the peanut. The cocoa is a rich source of theobromine. You know what is theobromine? It's the booster of dopamine. You know what is dopamine? Dopamine is the happy hormone. Then you want to obtain pain when you grind the cocoa.
Ok, es muy
The
importante
technique.
que no le demos
Don't
vuelta
roll
así,
it.
sino
Don't roll
que
it.
primero quebramos la
We break
semillita,
the nuts.
bien, y
And
después,
we slide it on the rock. Slide one side
pero
to the
tengan
other,
cuidado con,
up and down. Jose is advising when you hold the stone, take care to don't keep your nails too close to the stone. Otherwise, when you make that movement, you're gonna hurt. Believe me, it hurts. That already happens. Then, my friends, today also we're gonna blend the production. I need you happy because today we're gonna dance. And we're gonna sing. I need you with energy, my friends.
pero es
Let's
muy
blend it.
importante algo. Dos, tres.
Bate, bate, chocolate, bate, bate, chocolate.
Movimiento.
Bate, chocolate, bate, bate, chocolate, bate, bate, chocolate, chocolate, bate, chocolate, bate, 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 bate.
And gently, we're gonna take the stone and we're gonna crack them. Gentle, look. I don't break them that hard. Why? Because I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna peel it, and I'm gonna place the skin or the shell out and the cocoa inside my dish, okay? Roasted, sorry.
No, it's okay.
Try that one. We don't drop the shell, my friends. You know why? Because later you're gonna try a shell tea from the cocoa that you just peel. That is delicious. I promise.
Shell?
Shell tea cocoa, right? Cocoa shell tea, sorry.
Ok. Ahora,
Okay, we need help there. Somebody strong that wants to work the arms.
Rory.
Rory, well done, Rory. Yeah, that's your work today, my friend. Yeah, you. Very good, Rory. Very good. Very good. There we go. There we go.
Yeah, I wouldn't be able to do that.
Yeah. No, it's hard, my friend. The other day I came like, oh no, let me help you, let me help you. Sorry, I had to take it from my hand because I thought it was easy, but no, my friend, it's not easy. Look, you're some beans, huh?
Okay.
You made that confuse the people. No.
Man.
This too.
Yeah, taste it.
Oh,
taste
that
it.
good.
This on
Taste
there.
it, taste it. When you to taste a piece, take a piece and taste it. Smell it and taste it. It tastes delicious.
It tastes
different.
very like cocoa.
Yeah, ingredients.
Pasta de cacao,
Cocoa paste, the one that we just grind.
leche en polvo
Dry milk, the one that you buy on any grocery store. Nothing special.
y
Condensed milk,
condensed milk.
the one that you buy at any grocery store. But very, very important, please come with me to wash your hands because we're gonna hard to, you know, sometimes when I met guys that play soccer, some of them come low from low, but they play in the smallest things, and sometimes they don't even go to a good team. They stay there and they retire there, playing the second teams. Second teams not that good, you know. There's one. Okay, guys. Now with clean hands, we're gonna take the 3 ingredients and we're gonna mix them like this. Look, like this. You see that? I'm squeezing it to the middle. Then soon it is gonna take a sticky shape. A sticky shape. When it's getting sticky like this, look. You can see also now the whole ingredients gonna take like a plain color. Look mine, it's getting more plain color now. Can you see it? Okay, look, now mine is sticky. I'm making a sort of ball here. Okay, once I got the ball, when I have a sticky, you can take yours, sweetheart, you take yours with both hands. Jose, want me to tell Jose to record you?
Oh, it's okay.
Make the ball, place both, all the mixture in your hand, and make the ball there, like a Play-Doh, my friend, right? Like when you play with the Play-Doh, squeeze it, like with one hand, squeeze it. Take a hold, take hold. Yeah, and squeeze it. Very good, my friend, very good, what a good
Dile
team.
que en la palma.
Okay,
En
perfect.
la palma.
Pressing like this, pressing,
También.
squeeze it like a Play-Doh.
Un poco,
Yeah,
un poco.
a little bit. Okay, when you can have the shape like this bowl, we're gonna roll it like this. Softly.
Despacio.
Play-Doh, don't worry, you have it, my friend, you have it. There we go. Softly, don't press it or you break it. It's a small, soft roll, long roll. Look how I roll it all through my palms, both, no fingers, palms. And roll it softly. Let me see your mouth. Perfect, perfect. Keep rolling, my friend. We wanna know when the chocolate got on that shape that we want, because it's gonna be shiny. I promise, shiny, shiny. There we go. You have good hands. Sorry. Oh yeah, did you see? Everybody, look. Oh.
Jacob, roll yours a little bit more, buddy.
You got it. Dile que se ponga
You know
ahí,
what
que le
happens?
pueda tomar una
It's because
foto.
it's not to roll it faster. It's just to technique. Look, man.
Yeah, like glass.
There it goes.
Le voy a
And for
tomar
sure, I'm gonna make it shiny. Look.
Que se pongan así, le voy a tomar una foto.
Guys,
Y que
please
pongan las
stand
manos
up.
aquí.
Place your hands in front, and Jose gonna make a big. Huh?
Is this the last step?
Yeah, that's the last step, right? You can take it. Beautiful, my friends, huh? Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, that's really good.
My friends, you tasting, you know, always when you hear somebody saying on YouTube, a chocolate preparation